What's the one mistake almost everyone makes when buying a laptop in 2026? They get blinded by specs they don't need, and miss the machine that was built specifically for them. Today, we're not just listing laptops. We're exposing the truth. After testing ASUS's entire 2026 lineup in secret, I found 5 standouts. But one of them has a flaw so critical, I almost didn't include it. Which one? And why is it still in my top 5? All the answers, and where to get these laptops at the best prices, are coming up. Links to every model are waiting in the description. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. Best ASUS laptop. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is the best ASUS laptop we've tested. Though primarily a gaming laptop, this 14-inch model is a jack-of-all-trades that's well-suited for content creation and everyday general productivity. Unlike most gaming laptops on the market, it has a sleek and understated design that won't look out of place at work. Its full aluminum chassis feels super sturdy, and it's small enough to carry around easily. The user experience is amazing. You get a gorgeous 2.8K 120Hz OLED display, a tactile keyboard, a big touchpad, and a great 1080p webcam. There's Wi-Fi 6E on board for fast and reliable internet when gaming online. You can choose between a Ryzen 7 or 9 CPU from AMD's 8040 series paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, 4060, or 4070 discrete GPU. Every configuration can handle 1080p gaming, but if you want to play everything at 1440p, or at the display's native 2.8K resolution, we recommend upgrading to the RTX 4070. Number 2. ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED. Best upper mid-range ASUS laptop. Our best mid-range pick is the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED. This is also a 14-inch model, but it's very much an ultra-portable, meaning it's primarily designed for general productivity and media consumption. It has more than enough horsepower under the hood to handle tasks like web browsing, text processing, and spreadsheets. However, it isn't anywhere as powerful as our top pick, so don't expect to perform anything intensive, like gaming or 3D graphics. The battery lasts around 8 hours of light use, so you may need to plug it in to get through a typical workday. Multiple OLED display options are available, including 2 120Hz panels, with or without touch input, to provide better input responsiveness and smoother motion when navigating the desktop. One thing to know is that these OLED panels' 480Hz flicker may bother some people, causing eye strain. Number 3. ASUS Vivobook 16M1605. Best budget ASUS laptop. If you want to save money, consider the ASUS Vivobook 16M1605, our best budget ASUS laptop pick. This 16-inch ultra-portable feels well built for the price, and it isn't overly bulky, making it easy to carry around. You can configure it with an AMD Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 CPU, both of which are more than adequate for handling productivity tasks like text processing, web browsing, spreadsheets, and video playback. It has 8 GB of RAM soldered onto the motherboard and an open SODIMM slot, so if you can't find a model with 16 GB, you can always upgrade it yourself. Its battery life is decent at around 8 hours of light use, but depending on your workload, you may need to plug it in for a quick charge. This model delivers a pretty good user experience. It has a spacious full-size keyboard with a numpad, which is handy for those working with lots of numbers, as well as a large and responsive touchpad. You get Wi-Fi 6E wireless connectivity, a fingerprint sensor for quick logins, and a decent port selection with 3 USB-As, a USB-C, and an HDMI. Number 4. ASUS ROG Strix G16. Best ASUS gaming laptop. The best ASUS gaming laptop we've tested is the ASUS ROG Strix G16. This well-built 16-inch model delivers an amazingly smooth gaming experience in the most demanding AAA titles. It sports the top-end Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU, and you can choose between an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, RTX 4070, or RTX 4080 laptop GPU. RAM and storage max out at 32 GB and 2 TB, respectively, both are user upgradable. There are 2 display options, a 165Hz FHD Plus and a 240Hz QHD Plus panel. Both have a fast response time and GSYNC support, resulting in a clear image and fast-moving scenes with minimal ghosting and tearing. The keyboard feels spacious and tactile, and as expected, there's RGB backlighting. Connectivity is robust, You get 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 4 support, an HDMI 2.1, an Ethernet, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Number 5. ASUS TUF Gaming A16 Advantage Edition. Best Budget ASUS Gaming Laptop. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16 Advantage Edition is a solid budget option if you're looking for a gaming laptop. This all-AMD model delivers a smooth gaming experience at 1080p or 1440p in demanding AAA titles. For less than $1,000, you can get a Ryzen 7 7735HS configuration with an AMD Radeon RX 7700S GPU, a 165Hz FHD Plus display, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage. The IPS panel has a fast response time, resulting in a clear image with minimal ghosting in fast-moving scenes, and it supports variable refresh rate to reduce screen tearing. It doesn't get very bright, though. It's best suited for dark to moderately lit rooms. This laptop feels very sturdy build-wise. It has a spacious, albeit slightly mushy, keyboard, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and a wide port selection, including a true HDMI 2.1 and an Ethernet port. So, which of these 2026 ASUS Warriors is calling your name? The gaming beast, the creator's dream, or the ultra-portable that refuses to quit? Let the debate begin. Drop your pick and your reasoning in the comments below. If this guide saved you from a costly mistake or hours of research, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is valuable. To see our secret lab tests on the next big brand, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Know a friend who's laptop shopping? Share this with them right now. Until next time, choose wisely.